Leonardo Helicopters must secure additional sales of the AW159 Lynx Wildcat if the long-term future of the company's Yeovil production facility in the United Kingdom is to be secured, a senior official said on the 9th of January. Speaking at the site on the occasion of a UK government announcement of a 5-year £271 million British pounds, $329 million United States dollars Lynx Wildcat support contract for the Ministry of Defence, MOD, Stefano Bortoli, Sales and Marketing Senior Vice President at Leonardo Helicopters, said that of the three types being manufactured at Yeovil, it is the Lynx Wildcat that holds the key to the site's future. It is all about selling new or 159s, he said, adding, "We still have a number of AW101 orders to fulfill for the Norwegian ASuW search and rescue and Italian Caesar contracts, and the AW189 for the UK SAR contract is now almost done." Leonardo Helicopters delivered the last of the 28 Lynx Wildcat HMA2 and 34 Lynx Wildcat AH1 helicopters that the UK ordered for the Royal Navy and British Army respectively at the end of 2016, and fulfilled its contract for 8 Lynx Wildcats for South Korea at around the same time. With these deliveries now complete, the company has just one other signed contract for the type with the Philippines. While details of this contract, announced in March 2016, have not been disclosed, the Philippine Department of National Defense revealed in 2014 that it was looking for just 2 new helicopters. Bortoli declined to say where he thought that future Lynx Wildcat sales might come from, except to say that Leonardo Helicopters was currently involved in a handful of active campaigns, which might yield orders. He added that most of the interest is coming from prospective maritime operators, rather than those looking to field it in a battlefield role.